How to customize lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus or S25 series. By default, when you lock your phone, you can see the lock screen clock style, lock screen wallpaper, lock screen app shortcut, or add text message or phone number to lock screen. Let's see how to customize your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. First of all, unlock your device. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Here you can see the lock screen wallpaper. Left side, tap on it. Now you can see the default lock screen wallpaper or settings on your device like a wallpaper, lock screen clock style, add widget to lock screen app shortcut. You can also see the new option in the latest Samsung S25 Ultra gallery photo frame effect suggest. So let's see one by one how to customize your S25 Ultra lock screen on your device. So first of all, you can see the clock style. Tap on it to change the lock screen clock style. You can change the font and color. Here you can see the different lock screen clock style available. Here you can see different font color. The latest One UI 7 S25 Ultra. You can also increase or decrease the clock font like this, thin or broad. So select the clock font. Here we select this clock font. Tap on a style. Change the clock style you want to set on your lock screen. So you can see the different available clock style. This is the new added clock style on latest One UI 7.1 S25 Ultra. So select the clock style. Here we select this clock style. You can also enable show weather information. So you can see weather information add. So you added. If you want to turn off, you can see remove the weather info. So you can add or remove the weather info. Also show date above the clock. So you can see show date above clock. If you want to show below, just toggle up it. So select the font style or font color. Here you can set the font color of a clock you want on your device. Customize your favorite clock color. Tap on a done. Now you can see set the font style and font color. To change the wallpaper of lock screen, tap on wallpapers. Here you can select feature wallpaper, gallery photo, create with AI, graphical colors or wallpaper services. Here you can find the dynamic lock screen wallpaper. Automatically change wallpaper on lock screen. So select the any wallpaper. Here we select this. Now we can see how it looks on your lock screen. So tap on add widget. Here you can add multiple widget to lock screen. So we first select the battery option. So select battery. Now we can see the battery status in the widget bar. To add multiple, just scroll down. Here we also add clock, world clock. Now we can see the London clock here. So select the widget you want to show on your lock screen. Here also we add weather widget. So we select the current temperature and weather of my location. And at the bottom you can find the lock screen shortcut. Here in the left shortcut you can see the call button. So select the option. Here we select the scan QR code option. In the left right side, here we select my most useful application. We use YouTube. So we select the YouTube. So you can access both from lock screen, QR code and YouTube. Tap on the done at the top right corner. You can also see variants. Tap on it. Here you can select the different variants of a lock screen like this. So this is the very helpful feature or very handy feature to customize your latest Samsung S25 Ultra device. Tap on a done at the top right corner to save all these changes. Now changes apply to lock screen. Now lock your phone and you can see changes clock style, add weather widget, change lock screen app shortcut on a Samsung device. That's it. Like it, edit.